You've been diligently stashing away your hard-earned cash, watching it grow, hopefully, in your Raiz account. Maybe you're saving for that dream vacation, a new gadget, or just building up a comfortable financial cushion. But then, life happens. An unexpected bill pops up, an amazing opportunity arises, or perhaps you've simply reached your savings goal and you're wondering, okay, this money is in Raiz, but can I actually get it out? It's a completely natural question, and one that often lingers in the back of people's minds when they start investing with micro-investing apps. The ease of setting up recurring investments and watching your portfolio diversify is fantastic, but the ultimate test of any investment platform is its accessibility. After all, what's the point of saving if you can't access your funds when you need them? The good news is, the answer to "can I withdraw my money from Raiz?" is a resounding yes. Raiz is designed to be flexible. It's not a lockbox where your money goes in and never sees the light of day again. Your investments, while diversified across various exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are still your money. The process of withdrawing is relatively straightforward, but there are a few key things to understand to ensure a smooth experience. Firstly, let's talk about how it works. When you initiate a withdrawal, Raiz sells off a portion of your ETF units equivalent to the amount you wish to withdraw. This selling process usually takes a few business days to settle. Once the sale is complete and the funds are cleared, Raiz then transfers the money directly back to your linked bank account. It's crucial that your bank details are up to date and accurate to avoid any delays or complications. Now, while you can withdraw your money, it's important to consider the implications. If you withdraw funds that have been invested for less than 12 months, any profits you've made might be subject to capital gains tax. This is something to be mindful of, especially if you're thinking of frequently depositing and withdrawing larger sums. For smaller, more regular withdrawals that represent your original contributions, the tax implications might be minimal or non-existent, but it's always wise to consult with a tax professional if you have significant gains. Another point to remember is that market fluctuations can impact your withdrawal amount. If you withdraw during a market downturn, the value of your investments might be lower than when you initially invested, meaning you could withdraw less than you put in. Conversely, if the market is performing well, you might withdraw more. Raiz aims for long-term growth, and frequent withdrawals, especially during dips, can hinder the compounding effect. Ultimately, Raiz offers the liquidity you need while encouraging a long-term investment mindset. It's a powerful tool for building wealth, and the ability to access your funds provides peace of mind. Just be strategic about when and how much you withdraw. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.